We've made it to Anna's newest baby, Loaded Empanadas, and trust me, you're gonna wanna try everything they have here.
It's so fantastic. We're so excited to share with Anna her vision. And I mean, this is beautiful.
So good. I'm so happy. Great to see you. What was the vision that you had about putting Loaded Empanadas after Via Brazil?
Oh my goodness, the shopping center was the first thing, and the food, of course. We want to have a healthy empanadas, baked, fried, and gluten-free. This was the idea, tapas appetizers, something healthy, something delicious. Spanish, Latin, Brazilian, Colombian, Argentinian, I love it, and Cuban, of course. You can see right now, we make every single thing fresh. We make the best ingredients, the kosher salt, everything, the eggs, the best quality, the butter. We make the dough fresh, and this is the best part, okay? We have it gluten-free, and we also have regular all-purpose flour. We roll the dough over here with the traditional, and we have to make everything by hand with the gluten-free. So we have the empanadas that we make it over here. We have to put a little flour, like you can see right now. Rosario is my head chef here at Loaded Empanadas. She's been working with us for many years, over 15 years at Via Brazil, and now here, Loaded Empanadas. You can see right now she has a measured spoon, egg, all around with the egg. And now she's gonna close it and make it by hand. Every single thing is here made by hand. It's so delicious, nutritious, super healthy. So yeah, like you can see right now, it's 350 degrees for 8 minutes baking. If we fry the empanadas, it would be 5.5 minutes. Look how yummy and delicious.
Oh, that looks so fancy.
Only 5.5 minutes in the fryer, and here it comes, the best empanadas, ground beef.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
I love it. Strawberry sangria.
Let's get one here. I'm gonna get this one here.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try the chicken. Was this chicken?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. We want to hand that to me, Haya?
Yes.
Cheers. Ching, 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 ching. Okay, before we end our tour today, we had to share with you one of Summerlin's most iconic buildings here, One Queensridge Tower. We're going to take you inside one of the properties and share with you this most luxury property here.
Hey Stacey, look at this place. This is one of the premier communities in Las Vegas in the Summerlin area.
So beautiful, and we're very fortunate to be meeting with Randy Char, the former senior vice president of this beautiful property.
Hey Randy, great to see you. Thank you.
Hi there, good to see you.
Thank you for allowing us to come and preview this fantastic property.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I can't believe it. It feels like yesterday. I was here 2012, and I was a senior vice president helping run and promoting the building when they were being developed, right? Or after they were developed. And since then, it's like timeless beauty here. I mean, you can see these floors as an example. It's called a pietradore. It's actually semi-precious stones carved into hard stone. You have lapis, you have agate, you have all these rubies, you have these phenomenal jewels in this whole building. In fact, the developer shopped all the way all around the world, bought actual stone quarries, jasper quarries, etc., and brought it all to this building. So you're looking at a piece of art that would probably be here for many, many decades to come.
And if you have not seen the sunrise and the sunset in Las Vegas, they're stunning, stunning. So we look forward to, I know we get to check out one of your properties here. We'd love for you to show us that, and let's get going and go check it out and see some of these views.
Let's do it.
All right.
From the elevator, direct access into your units, a private entrance. Very rarely you'll see this in a high-rise. Let me first tell you a little bit about this specific unit. This is on the 5th floor, but it feels really high, right? And the reason why is because we're actually over a couple levels of a parking structure, and then we're towering over the strip. This particular residence is about 3,300 feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 en-suites, but look at how open and spacious it is. So beautiful entertaining area here, and then look at this. This is absolutely magnificent. In fact, I'll take you out here.
This would be the money that people love the city views.
$1 million view. You need to have this view.
Right, now look at it. This is during the day. Can you imagine it at nighttime?
Well, this is very nice. Where's my masseuse?
Well, speaking of masseuses, one of the neatest things in the towers is the custom spa area, whereby you're not forced to have to pay for an in-house masseuse that's going to overcharge you like you're on the strip, right? You can actually invite your own. They can meet you down there. You have your private spa area. You have beautiful locker rooms with saunas, spa, you name it, it's down there. The idea is to have the utmost in security, but yet you'll still be discreet and comfortable. You not feel like the service is overbearing, right? They know who you are, right? So you feel very comfortable, very at ease, and that's a lot to say, in Las Vegas now.
No, for sure.
That peace of mind.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. We so appreciate you sharing this. Has been fantastic.
My pleasure.
It's been so nice seeing you again and sharing this time with you. Thank you.
My pleasure.
From unforgettable food and high-rise luxury, this neighborhood offers everything you need to live and love the Las Vegas lifestyle.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. I'm Stacey Tyler.
And I'm Haya Kessler, and we'll see you next time
on American Dream TV, Las Vegas.